So hi, this is me with my new, not really new, 1937 Pierce Arrow travel trailer. I just wanted to have kind of an introduction. I got this on Facebook. I bought it from a lady in Missoula, Montana. It's a Pierce Arrow 1937 Travelodge Model C. They made three models. Model A was the big one. It was about 20 feet long. The Model B was the medium-sized one. It was about 16 feet long, and the Model C was 13 feet long. They only made about 94 of these, they think, came out of the factory, and there's supposedly only less than 20 of them left. This one, the serial number is 2091. The 2000 part, 200, is how they did the Model C. So this was the 91st one that came off the production line or was manufactured. My hope for it is that we're going to actually build it up so that we can use it again. I want to make it so it's a trailer that we can actually use, but I also want it to restore it to pretty much as the glory of 1937, when Pierce Arrow was making really fancy cars and really fancy trailers. That was kind of their downfall. They made expensive cars right after, in the heights of the Depression, and there just weren't enough people that could afford to spend whatever one of these cost at that time. I think that's it. Keep an eye on my videos. We'll see what happens. So hi, I'm Duncan Bell. I'm up here in North Idaho, and I'm pretty excited for a couple of reasons. One, this is going to be my first YouTube video, and the second is I just bought a 1937 Pierce Arrow Travelodge model. This is the small travel trailer that Pierce Arrow made towards the end of the company's life, and they were trying to make up for the losses they'd had in the Depression, and so they were making trailers, but they made too expensive of trailers, and just like their cars. And so I'm going to make just a kind of an all-around thing, and then I'm going to go through and look at all the little details on it that I see and stuff. Hopefully I can restore this kind of back to its former glory. Sherry and I want to use it as an actual camper, but we also want it to reflect what it was when it was originally made. So this is, sorry for all the things, I got to walk around trees and stuff here. This is the trailer. It's a 13-foot. They say that only 74 of these made it into production, and out of that only about 20 are still known. Some of them are pretty much totally gutted. This one's actually it's pretty complete. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's not horrible either. So that's kind of the outside of it. And then the second here, I'll go on the inside and we'll check it out. I love the little chimney on top, and you'll see why there's one of those in a second here. So this thing, it's pretty beat up. It was pretty nice in its time, but it's definitely going to be a real labor to get it to come back. The woodwork is pretty much really all trashed. I'm going to take it all out, measure the exact measurements for it, and replace everything in here. I'm pretty confident about the woodworking part of it. I'm fairly good at that, and I think I can do it justice. The metalwork and the mechanics of it, that may be a little bit more of a different story. This is kind of the sink area with a little stove, and it comes with a little propane stove that goes underneath it. I think that might be a later addition, but I'm not really sure. The stove's pretty old too, but it really kind of looks like it's from the 50s, maybe more. That makes into a bed, and then you have a table that you put. There's the table that you can set up there. Again, pretty crummy. There's compartments down below the seats. I've been told that this was the original upholstery. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what the people that sold it to me, and they'd had it for a long time, told me. There's a closet. There's actually a door that is supposed to have a mirror on it. It doesn't have a mirror anymore, but we'll maybe fix that. Another little cabinet down below. This has got a slide-out bed that slides out, and then there's another cabinet underneath there. Now that really does look like the original upholstery to me. We'll probably get it all reupholstered. I kind of love the sink that's got an axe handle to use to work the pump to get the water out. Little sink. No refrigerators back in the day, or at least not that I know of, so they had an ice box. And I actually think I'm going to retain that ice box. There's some cupboards there that I'm going to reproduce. My favorite little part is it's got a little stove. I think this was originally a coal burning stove, and it looks like they replaced it with a propane to me. But that's going to be kind of interesting. It's got kind of cool little screen doors that fold out to make your screen door. No, you can't see that very well. I'm not doing a good job. Sorry. But little folding screen door that goes in there. I think that's kind of a neat little touch. I'll definitely be keeping that. But that's it for the quick view of my new trailer. Now I'm going to do another video that has all the outside, the little details.